Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Today we're going to open up an Illumineer's Trove box of Ursula's Return. Alright, so let's get started here. That's always nice. It's a good sign. It's a sign that there's great stuff inside that they just don't want me to get to. Alright, that worked. So let's see. Here's the back design, by the way. Tells you all the treasures in the deep that we got, which is the Illumineer's Trove features full art storage box with 6 full color card dividers to keep your Disney Lorcana TCG cards safe and organized by rarity. The included 8 booster packs will expand your collection and blah 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 blah. We know. Okay, let's see. We got storage box, 6 card dividers, 8 booster packs, which we know and love, 6 damage counter dice, and 1 lore counter. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright. Alright. Come on. It's crowning, and here we are. Wonderful. Okay. There's the lid. Put that right there. Okay, we'll get started with what looks to be dividers. Ah, yeah. Okay. Okay, so that's the common symbol, uncommon, rare, super rare, and legendary. And you're not really going to need one for these because most people aren't going to have very many of those enchanted rares. But it is a pretty little symbol though, isn't it? Anyway. Okay, so cool. These are, yeah, you can divide by rarity now. In the previous Illumineer's Trove, the dividers were by color. Okay, so let's see what else we got. Here is our lore counter. It's a nice little spinneroonie. There we go. Okay, that's the gist of that. Ah, dice. Okay, good deal. These are nicer than the little punch cards that they used to have, so I agree with D6. Good job. So here's our 8 packs, nothing left in the box. So we'll leave that as a black background for us. And we will get into it. There's Ariel, Ursula, I don't know, Ariel, I don't know, Ursula, I don't know. I really should know, but I don't. And that's okay. Alright, let's see what we got. Big money, no whammies, no whammies. Ooh. The cards look significantly different. I like this. Hidden Ink Caster. Yeah. When you play this item, draw a card. So this is an item, alright. All cards in your hand count as having able to be inked. I don't know what they call that. Inkable. Anyway. There's Anna, 1/4 for 2. Max, a 4/3 for 3 that quests for 1. And a quest for 1 as well, by the way. Pegasus, Flying Steed, 3/1 for 2 with evasive. Only other characters with evasive can challenge this creature, aka flying. Anyway, he quests for 1. 3/3 for 3, Bell, Untrained Mystic, quests for 1. When you play this character, move up to 1 damage counter from chosen character to chosen opposing character. That's pretty nifty. Triton's Decree. Each opponent chooses one of their characters and deals 2 damage to them. Everybody hurts. Khan, Beloved Steed, a 3/2 for 2 that quests for 1. Simple enough. Dig a little deeper. Dig a little deeper. Okay, sing together 8. Any number of your teammates' characters with a total cost of 8 or more may tap or exert to sing this song for free. Now, look at the top 7 cards of your deck. Put 2 into your hand. Put the rest on the bottom of your deck in any order. That's nifty. Okay, Aladdin, a 3/3 for 3 that quests for 1. Shift. Discard a location card. You may discard a location card to play this card on top of another character named Aladdin. Crashing Through. Whenever this character quests, you may banish chosen item. Very cool. Okay, Raja, a 3/4 for 4 that quests for 2. Well, you have no cards in hand. While you have no cards in your hand, characters with cost 4 or less can't challenge this character. Okay, Minnie Mouse. 1/5 for 5 that quests for 2, Bodyguard and Dramatic Entrance. When you play this character, banish chosen opposing character with cost of 5 or more. With 5 ink or more? I'm not sure. 5 attack. There we go. I've got my glasses on, I promise. Okay, and a full Mulan Injured Soldier. 2/3 for 1. Quest for 1. This character enters play with 2 damage. That stinks. But she is injured. But she is a 2/3, so she's still alive, and you can take some damage off remove some damage from her, which is good. So, yeah, we will go ahead and put our foil here, and super rare there, rare, uncommon, and commons. And we'll pick up the pace a little bit, hopefully. Tor. 4/7 for 5, quests for 1. Aurora, Tranquil Princess, 1/3 for 2, that quests for 1. She has Ward. Prince Eric, a 3/3 for 3, that quests for 1 with Bodyguard. Faju, or is that Fazo? I don't really know. He's an 0/4 for 2, that quests for 1. He has War Injury. This character can't challenge. Head of the Household. You can exert him to ready chosen character named Mulan. She can't quest for the rest of this turn. Okay. So you can have her quest and then re-ready her to block or do whatever with. Dodge. For 2, chosen character gains Ward and Evasive until the end of your next turn. Magic Broom, 2/3 for 2 that quests for 1. During your turn, this character gains Evasive. Flotsam, 4/2 for 3 that quests for 1. Quick Escape. When this character is banished in a challenge, return this card to your hand. Ominous Pair. Your character's name Jetsam gain when this character is banished in a challenge. Return this card to your hand. Panic, 3/3 for 4. Quests for 2, reporting for duty. Well, this character is exerted. If you have a character named Pain in play, your villain characters can't be challenged. Okay. Donald Duck, Musketeer Soldier, 2/3 for 3. Quest for 1 has Bodyguard. Wait for me. When you play this character, chosen character gets +1 lore this turn. Miss Potts, Enchanted Teapot, a 3/4 for 4 that quests for 2. When you play this character, if you have a character named Illumineer or Cogsworth in play, you may draw a card. Triton. 3/3 for 3. Triton Discerning King. Quest for 1, or you can consign to the depths, exerting to banish one of your items and gain 3 lore. Oh, that's pretty nifty. Oh, and the full version of the same dude. Okay. So we'll put him chat and the full there. And whoops. There's a rare. Okay, I promise we'll pick up speed with the rest of these. I won't read through everything. We'll just get to the good stuff. Yeah, swing into action. Tuk Tuk. Record player. Benja. Bold Uniter. Louisa Madrigal. Oh, cool. Okay, from Encanto. She's the strong sister. Fortisphere. Flotsam and Jetsam. Megara, liberated one. Hercules, daring demigod. Okay, Imperial Proclamation. Ooh, Aurora, Lore Guardian. Let's read through her because she looks pretty darn spiffy. A 3/3 for 4 that quests for 2. She has Shift 2, Preserver. Opponents can't choose your items for abilities or effects. That's pretty sweet. Royal Inventory. You can exert one of your items. Look at the top card of your deck and put it on either the top or bottom of your deck. That's nice. That's all nice. Very, very cool. So she works well with an abundance of items. Okay, and we have Fali, Mulan's mother. A 1/3 for 1. She's a foil. That's the best thing about her. And another puzzle piece. Okay. All right. Jack. Commissioner of Climbing. Transform Chef. Stitch. Stitch, by the way, a 2/3. Okay, pretty nice, pretty nice. All right. Oh yeah, she's injured. Dolores Madrigal. Chan Po. Lost in the Woods. Scuttle. Mulan. Armored Fighter. A rare Prince Philip. A rare Ursula, Eric's Bride. Ooh. Okay, that must be from something else. I've only seen like the original Little Mermaid. I don't remember Ursula ever looking like that. Anyway, there she is. And the foil medallion waits. I don't know what it waits for. Come on, come on. Alrighty. The Fates. Ice Block. Atlantica Concert Hall. Training grounds. Quit turning them sideways on me. Casa Madrigal. By the way, I've heard there's supposed to be a real Casa Madrigal being built somewhere. Maybe at Disney, California? Not sure. Magic Broom. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse, leader of the band, that is. Hades. Chifu. A rare John Silver. Terror of the Realm. Jasmine, Desert Warrior, 3/3 for 2. Dig a little deeper. Okay. Put that there and that there. Got 3 more to go. Dig a little deeper in the storehouse of his love. Mirabelle Madrigal. Okay, yep. Encanto. Brawl. Poor Unfortunate Souls. Pegasus. Winter Camp. Is that Argus? The Cyclops? Li Shang. Alright. Sisu. Okay, so Sisu, wise friend. Sisu is the other one that was on the front of the packs. I am honestly just not sure what that is from. It's a deity, a dragon, a hero, and a storyborn all in one. I find them, I flatten them. Nice. Ursula's Garden. That is a rare. Hercules, beloved hero, is a rare. Poor Unfortunate Souls foil. 2 more. Dos más. Nimota, Prince Eric, Pegasus, Belle, Gus, Iceblock, Louisa Madrigal, Mickey Mouse, Flotsam and Jetsam. Whoops. I was going to separate those. Hercules. Did I say deranged demigod? No, it said daring demigod. Oh well. And there's another version of Sisu. Emboldened Warrior, a 1/4 for 3 that quests for 2 and has surge power. This character gets 1 extra strength for each card in opponent's hands. Oh, that's pretty nice. The Muses. Opponents can't choose this character. It's a ward because it's ward. It's a 2/4 for 4 that quests for 1. Gospel of Truth. Whenever you play a song, you may return a chosen character with strength of 2 or more, or I'm sorry, 2 or less to their player's hand. Okay. It would be nice if I could read. Okay, and there's Rhea. It's a foil and a puzzle piece. And our last pack. As I like to say, Last Chance Saloon. Whoops. Turning around that way. Last chance for something super good. Pluto. Hercules. Poor Unfortunate Souls. Jack. Glean. Magic Broom. Khan. Beloved Steed. Dig a Little Deeper. Aladdin. Ursula's Lair. Another Aurora. I really like that card. And we have Felix Madrigal. And that's it. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.